The price of oil is the first thing I look at when I wake up in the morning every single day. If it dropped or rose very quickly while you were sleeping, means there was some bad news. Right after that, I look at the percentage yields of the 10-year and the 2-year treasury. It's important. If those yields went up very quickly, that can suggest a lot of market pessimism. People are flocking towards safer assets. If those yields drop, that means big money is a little bit more speculative, and maybe, just maybe, the market's going to start to do a little better. I then pay attention to this DXY, the strength of the dollar, because those reinforce everything I just told you about treasuries. The US dollar, just like treasuries, are a safe haven asset, so when there's a lot of uncertainty, people flock to it from all over the world. So let's look at today. First, we have to apply it to the context of everything that's going on. World markets are scared because they have no idea what to expect because of US foreign policy, along with the Chinese economy still not fully recovering from COVID. A weak Chinese economy, which is the world's largest manufacturer, means that the price of oil is going to stay low, as we've been seeing, and this has been a consistent trend for a couple years now. Treasury rates have been consistently dropping because the 10-year was almost 4.7%, might have been even higher just a month ago. Yields for the 10-year and the 2-year treasury have dropped over the past month, but over the past years, they're higher. But because some of the data suggests that the economy is cooling down, it means that the Federal Reserve may not be so aggressive towards inflation, and they may reduce interest rates within the next few months, maybe 6 months. So for me, and for me only, I look at the price of oil kind of like supply side economics. And when I look at treasury yields and the DXY, I look at that more as monetary policy, dollar demand. Even when I am not investing, and I don't invest for months at a time, I am looking at these metrics every single day just to know what's the temperature of the world. What news reports am I going to be flooded with when I start looking? Because these 4 metrics that I'm bringing to your attention can tell you a lot of why what's happening in the world is currently taking place.